Hi, this is Robert at XI Computer. Today we're going to take a look at our high-end gaming system, the XI MTower IGE-SLI. It's based on an Intel Core i7 Extreme Edition 975. The CPU is rated at 3.3 gigahertz. We overclocked it at 3.7 gigahertz, and we're going to take a look how we did it and how we sided our system with our interesting accessories. If we take a look at the beginning, our case, the case we choose is a CoolerMaster Sniper. It's a typical gaming case. It's very robust, has nice feet and also handles on the top, so you can carry it around to LAN parties. Also, there is a knob for controlling the speed of the different fans inside for optimization according to the environment temperature. There's ample gridding in the front. All the unused bays have grids, so there's a good ample way of getting fresh air inside. There's a 20 centimeter fan in the front as well with a nice grid, and also the top part has a second 20 centimeter fan. On the side also there is a huge grid that allows great ventilation for the video cards and the motherboards, and in the back there's an exhaust fan 12 centimeters. All those high diameter fans allows to produce a good airflow without a lot of noise, you know. On the side of that, we sided this unit with a very high-end gaming interface. We have two Saitek Joy Sticks and Thruster control, the best for, of course, flying simulator and stuff like that. And we have a Logitech G5 gaming mouse. The mouse has a ballast control, so you can make it heavier or lighter according to your taste, your dynamic of controlling the mouse. And the keyboard is a G11 Logitech, as well as illuminated keys, so you can play at low level of lights, and has a great array of function keys that can be customized according to the game you're playing. Okay, this is about it for the outside of the case. We're going to open it and look inside how we did it. Thank you. We can see the CPU with this massive heatsink. Is a Core i7 Extreme Edition Intel 975. The unit is rated at 3.3 gigahertz. And here we overclock it at 3.7 gigahertz. As you can see, we use a air cooling device. Is a CoolerMaster V8. Has a 12 centimeter fan that is mounted internally, and two big fin arrays on both sides. We found that this air cooler has a thermal conveyance equal or superior to most of the water cooling devices, maintaining a higher level of reliability and containing costs. Of course, we guarantee that at 3.7 gigahertz, and you guys can probably overclock a little higher depending on the kind of application you want. There is a utility that comes with a motherboard that allows you to flexibly overclock different parts, different components. On the side of the CPU, we have three 2 gigabyte DDR3 1600 megahertz modules. They are from Patriot, and is organized in a triple channel configuration that's proper for the i7, and the maximum expandability is 12 gigabyte. The motherboard is a 760 EVGA classified model. Is the highest level gaming motherboard from EVGA. It has an ample amount of controls for voltages of CPU, RAM, bus, and PCIe bus for the video cards to give the maximum flexibility for overclocking. Underneath of that, we have two EVGA NVIDIA 295 GTX video card. Those cards have a 1.78 gigabyte of RAM each, and basically they have two GPUs, two graphic processing units inside, and they are connected in SLI mode internally. So externally we connected them also in SLI mode, so this gives you a quad SLI configuration, top of the line performing for gaming. On the side, we team up this this gaming configuration with two 300 gigabyte Velociraptor 10,000 RPM from Western Digital. They give a 600 gigabyte of net capacity in RAID 0 configuration for maximum throughput. The unit, as you guys can see, has quite a bit of expandability, 5.25 bays and 6 3.5 bays underneath. The power supply is an ultimate 1100 watt from CoolerMaster, and we also note those holders on the PCI slot for added security. The case can be locked and secure, so if you carry it around, it's more difficult to be tampered and taken out. Those expensive video card. If we take a look at the CPU, so the CPU control panel there from this Elite, that the overclocking utility from EVGA, we can see we have the CPU clock at 3.7 gig, and then one feature that Intel introduced with the Core i7 is the hyper threading. In this case, it's disabled, so you have 4 cores and 4 threads, but you can also have 8 threads. The Elite panel here allows a very good flexibility on overclocking. You can overclock on the CPU, each core individually. And another feature of the i7 is the turbo boost. That means when one core only is utilized, the clock is automatically raised up to 20% of the nominal clock speed. Or in this case, we guys can just singularly overclock one core only and keep the other one down to maximize the power versus frequency, power consumption versus frequency, in case the game that you guys want to optimize for is only single-threaded. There's also ability to overclock on the QPI, the Quick Path Interconnect. It's the connection between the CPU and the PCI bus, and the RAM independently, as well the PCIe and the PCI bus. Now, this is pretty much it for this unit. If you guys want to know more about it, just visit us at www.xicomputer.com. Thank you very much.